Should I use a whistle when I'm training my retriever? Welcome to Cornerstone Gundog Academy, where you can learn to train your retriever with our online videos. So the question is, should you use a whistle when it comes to training your retriever? And the answer is absolutely yes. And here is why. This whistle, and most likely you probably already have a whistle or you've thought about getting a whistle if you have a dog, but if you haven't, just go ahead and get one. But this whistle gives you some unique abilities. Now, this whistle will not train your dog. It is up to you as the handler to train your dog. But this whistle will give you a way to communicate to your dog in a very clear manner. Clear communication gives you more control over your dog, and the clearer the communication, the more control you're going to have. Now, with clear communication, you can also extend that control out to great distances. When you're training your dog, or if you're hunting your dog, maybe out in a big field and a bird is shot at a long distance, this whistle is going to come in handy because it's going to allow you to communicate. Instead of having to yell very loud and your dog may not even be able to hear you, they're going to be able to hear the tone of this whistle much easier, which is going to give you much better control. So the whistle is a fantastic tool that you can utilize if you teach properly to communicate to your dog, that you can use at close distance and at far distances. So to have better control over your dog and to have your dog handle more crisply, I would highly recommend using a whistle and teaching your dog how to use it.